Now in this video, let's talk about creating sequences. The first thing important to know is that we have defined a cabinet size of 62 pixels high and 128 wide, right? And we have defined a perimeter system that is 20 cabinets in each of the sides and 40 cabinets in front, right? So before leaving here, when we play the sequences, we will be able to see all the content of the perimeter system in the display, and here we'll have some space, some free space, right? Is the pinked area, right? So the first thing we have to do is go to sequence edition. Here in the left side we will see what sequences we already have. In the right side we will see what are the available files for creating these sequences, and in the center of the window have the information about the sequence itself, the selected sequence, right? In this area we can have an idea of how the videos are going to be placed in the perimeter system, right? To create a new sequence, just click on the Add button. We will first add the name, course sequence, right, number 1, for example, and we will add one media file. Take a look here. Here we have the information about the size, and when the size of the video does not match the size of the cabinet, for example, this video is designed to have 60 pixels high, here the system is warning us, is telling us, hey, the height of the video does not match the cabinet. What can we do? We can stretch it or we can center it, right? But the ideal is that the video matches the size of the cabinet. Let's go for an example where the video matches. Let's see, for example, the Hoyer file, right? We can click on the Add button, and automatically it will be added in our sequence. In this case, the system is telling me, hey, the width does not match exactly the end of the cabinet. No problem. I will add it anyway. And here, when I select this video, I can see where is it going to be placed in the perimeter system, right? I can add more repetitions of the video, right? Until I see the red dot. The red dot says, hey, the end of the video is outside of the perimeter system, right? Sometimes it may be important, sometimes not. It will depend on the design of the video. We can have more videos in our sequence. If we want to add others, here we can select it here. For example, let's add this one, right? In this case, it is saying, hey, the beginning is outside, right? No problem. I will move this video. I will reduce the quantity of repetitions of the first video, and the second one will be placed next to the first. I can add more until I feel complete the perimeter system, right? For this example, I will remove this second file, right? Click on remove, and I will want that this video fills completely all the perimeter system, right? Here we have some file details. What's the name of the file? What's the dimensions of the file? How many repetitions we have set? Here we can change by sliding the slider, or just setting the number manually, right? In case we want some specific color adjustment, very little tones, we can add it here. Generally, the videos will be correct, and if the color balance of the perimeter system is correct, generally it will be fine this way. If the content does not match the height of the cabinet, we can center it, or we can adapt the height. When we adapt the height, we create a distortion in the video, right? And here we have an always in front. We are going to see in a few moments what is it used for. And about the Twitter area, we will talk in a separate video, right? Here it's important to note that if we have a Novastar controller connected through the USB and correctly configured, here we can say that when this sequence plays, we want to set a specific color balance for this sequence, right? Here we will set it on, and we will indicate the color balance of each channel. Sorry. Now I want to add a central banner, right, for the perimeter system here, right? Let's choose this one. The width does not match the cabinet, no problem. And now, if I don't say anything special, it begins outside the perimeter system. But we don't want this. We want to say that this a priority content. I mean, always will be in front of the others, right? And we can indicate that it can be centered, like our case. This is an approximation of where is it going to be placed. This is an approximate representation. In the reality, when it is centered, it's completely centered in the perimeter system, right? We can say that it's going to be just in the beginning of the perimeter, just at the end of the perimeter, or some pixels from the left side of the perimeter, right? For our example, we will set it on the center, right? So that's all. This is our first sequence created. Just save, and see you in the next video. We will talk there about playlist. Thank you.